everyone and welcome to PC Tips Pro. In today's video, we're diving into the latest File Explorer features in the new Windows 11 update. So whether you're a student, a pro, or just someone who loves productivity, then these features are for you. So let's get started. So first up is the redesigned user interface. You'll notice rounded corners, more spacing, and clear icons. The toolbar at the top has been simplified with a fluent look, and the address bar is smarter. It now separates cloud and local paths better. And now the next thing is tabbed File Explorer. Now you can open multiple folders in a single window, just like browser tabs. And for that, all you need to do is just press Ctrl plus the letter T. And there you go, you have another File Explorer tab opened. In the View section, if you just click on that, here you can see you have all these options to turn it into extra large icons or lists, details, styles, content, and many more. And now the third thing is the Gallery View. It's a dedicated section in File Explorer for photos. It shows your images in a large thumbnail preview format. You can access that by going to the Gallery option from the left-hand corner. And from here, you can see all of your photos and videos in large thumbnail preview format. It's designed for quick image browsing, especially helpful for creatives and photographers. Now, if you do not see the gallery option, then just expand the navigation pane or check under Home. One of the standout features of Gallery View in Windows 11 is its seamless integration with OneDrive. This enables users to access their cloud-stored photos directly from the File Explorer without needing to download them manually or open the OneDrive app. So if you've signed into OneDrive with your Microsoft account, then the Gallery View will automatically detect and display images stored in your OneDrive. So now you can sync status, cloud-only files, and manage your OneDrive directly from File Explorer. So no need to open the app separately. Now the fifth thing is recommended files. So if you're signed in with the work or school account, you will see recommended files on the File Explorer homepage, which is powered by Microsoft 365 and Cloud AI. So it gives you quick access to whatever matters the most. And now the sixth thing is performance and context menu improvements. So the right-click context menu is now faster and smarter, and developers can extend it easily. And yes, performance has been improved when opening large folders or switching tabs. So those were the top new File Explorer features in Windows 11's latest update. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and please do not forget to subscribe to PC Tips Pro for more useful tech tips. And if you have any queries regarding this video, do make sure to put them in the comments box below. Thank you and have a nice day.